Okay, just want to do a quick overview on the couple of trades that I had today. Today's July 14th, 2021, and we'll start off with, let's see, oh, Arcal was one of them. Okay, wait, was it? Oh no, that was, yes, wait, oh Jesus Christ, I'm getting trades mixed up here. Nope, I guess we'll start with the late day one. So, I did make another video lesson on this, but this one, all I saw, I was really looking for it as a high daybreak here initially. I did look at it as a previous high daybreak right here, but we just failed to get the buying and volume to continue a short squeeze there. And then from there on, it was just looking for that $8 break, because after that, we got 8.5 right above all-time highs. Good sector, low float, strong volume. Let me check out the news if there's anything. Okay, there we go. Nothing significant today. Literally nothing. Um, okay, back here. So, yeah, failed that previous high day break, not enough volume, but it also failed to break down. So then at that point, I know short sellers are gonna get a little uneasy. Now we get another double top. Short sellers probably size in some more, or maybe some startup position. And maybe any people who are buying, they're selling here and getting out. So we get some weight on this down, and then it fails to break down, makes another low, a higher low this time. And then we perked right back up not too long after that, and it's just choppy into the close, just indecision really. Um, so it was really either looking for a breakdown or a breakout. So once we got that breakout, unfortunately it happened after hours. I still traded it with a very, very, very small size. Let's see here. Oh, this is the month so far. Let's see here. Vprx. That one did take a bit, but it was holding up nicely. Just took that snipe. 125 shares. That's literally it. Nothing crazy. Yeah, that's that over here. This was my other trade. Oh, and Vrpx. We'll see what happens tomorrow. I do expect a gap up and for this to be in play. Can't ignore this all-time high. Low float, good sector. Maybe get some good news tomorrow, or just a continuation of volume and momentum to really squeeze shorts out again. So that's going to be exciting tomorrow, hopefully. And then we got Mdia, recent runner, parabolic. Have a previous video lesson on it, I'm pretty sure. Low float, good sector. And then we got just the bread and butter multi-day bounce. I'll go over it here. So we get that huge run up. Of course, people waiting for this to, fade. Short people betting against it. Just an insane move. People thinking it's up way too much. You got all these resistance levels. It gets stuffed right here at this resistance level. Just a little fake out, actually. But then, yeah, does not have this team to continue. It was up a lot. I forgot what the percentage was. Yeah, I forgot. Doesn't matter. Over 300% for sure. And then we get this red day yesterday, and once I saw that, today was prepared. If it were to come, which it did, the multi-day bounce is set up nicely in the morning. I coulda, shoulda, woulda, got more size. Was just really tired this morning, was kind of out of it. Did recognize it though, so we had that spike, then it came right back and broke that initial morning high. Didn't consolidate enough for me to want to get in over that level. And then it dropped again, thank God. And then it held up, this time consolidated for over 5 minutes. And once it came back, took that high at daybreak. And from there, it was just looking at volume, seeing how it holds trend, and if it keeps holding my risk. And in this case, it held beautifully. Really should have added into this hold right here, into this higher low. For you guys. So yeah, and then you just get a quick move, it gets halted, and then another quick perk, and it just fades. So these moves, usually you're just looking for that quick short squeeze. And in this case, I still have another opportunity. It finished red. If we get some more fading, we will certainly get another multi-day bounce, maybe even a stronger one, unless bad news comes out, and that just might kill it. So keeping that in mind. But yeah, so this pattern, just simple. We got the huge spike, we got a lot of people trapped, and then those shorts are gonna cover once they're up nicely, and then you got people dip buying after they see this huge move. They're gonna want to buy the dip, and that pushes it up because you got some buying power, and then that squeezes some more shorts. Well, they're also covering, so they see that momentum, that causes them to lock in some more gains, and it just kind of like a snowball effect, and you just get a quick squeeze. Another one like this. I didn't trade, but we had right here another beautiful pattern. Let's go over it. Same exact pattern. Doesn't always line up where it spikes 1-2 days and just fades for 1 day. It really changes over, like, not changes, but different stocks move differently. And yeah, in this case, this was the same, how it only needed 1 day of fading. And this one was a little scary for me because it gapped up a lot. And these plays usually top out about 25, 30, 33%. I have my data on it. I have probably need, actually, can you pull it up? No, I won't pull it up. But I'll get into that maybe in another video lesson, some of my spreadsheets. But yeah, I know how much it goes from the last close. So I usually take my quick 10, 15, maybe 20%. But this is definitely a snipe play, not something where I'm going to be a lot more patient with like Vprx, even though I did end up selling here. But I didn't think we were going to get that huge move all right at once. I thought I was going to slowly grind. I would have maybe get some more dipping. I thought we are going to get slow grind and a gap up. Ended up having to take my snipe here, but this is more of a, I want to say long term because we're definitely not looking past a day in this, but certainly bigger picture compared to a number 5 slash multi-day bounce, whatever you want to call it, where you're just trying to capture the short squeeze and lock in profits. So before I just start saying the same thing over and over again, those are my 2 trades on the day. Nothing crazy, just small 2 quick snipes. Yeah, decent week. So there's that.